So data tables is another concept. You can read the data from feature file to your step definition file. So that's another concept. So you can use one is scenario outline is used for doing a data driven testing. Same scenario with multiple sets of data. Data table is step below itself. You can mention the data with the pipe symbols. But a scenario outline is followed by example section. So mandatory example section. But you don't need example section here. Okay. Okay. That's all about this BDD Cucumber. Other than that, we don't want much here. Okay. Let's go and know how to write this all the BDD Cucumber option in our so this one. Okay. Here you can just we'll develop the framework now. So rest assured framework. So rest assured is another so Java DSL framework, which is mainly used for automating your APIs. If you want to automate APIs, you will use this rest assured framework. So if anybody asks you which framework you are using for API automation means, you can say rest assured. So rest assured framework we are using, you can say that. So rest assured is a so one of the framework, and you can use the BDD framework also inside the rest assured. Okay, so where you can find all this data, and you can just go here and so maybe you can use BDD approach. I think I have implemented here. Okay, so here is the setting of the BDD Cucumber Selenium, but same you can use for the API also. So API I implemented for this Selenium, and we are going to have a API also. API also we have that I'll show you. So let's go here. And the API rest assured all the way come down. See this is the one. But how to implement this? What are all the things you need is I'll show you what are all the dependencies we need. Everything I'll show you here. But you have to create again MavenProject. So this is the rest assured. So how can you give headers in the rest assured framework? They ask this question. Rest assured dot given dot header. See, this is the headers we have given in the Postman, right? Accept application JSON. So, and that's how you can give. This is one of the interview question. That's why I included this. And also rest assured is a Java DSL for simplifying or testing of REST based services. So you can use HTTP builder to support post to get to put to delete options patch requests. And so these are the rest assured framework. Okay. And then so how to use this? First, you have to create a Maven project. Let's go and create the Maven project. So how to create a Maven project? New project. Maven project. Select the Maven project. Next. And then create a simple project. Next. And group ID. So group ID is, so you can just give API BDD style REST assured framework, June 14th, 2023. So you can give whatever the name you want, okay, group ID, and then this the one. You can finish. So API REST assured framework. This is the very big name we are given. This one. So again, SRC main Java, SRC main resources, SRC test Java, SRC test resources, and form.xml. You have this. Okay. And form.xml, you give this version. Okay. So here you can specify all the dependencies. What are the dependencies we need? So I mentioned here very clearly, you can just copy paste them. So dependencies. So otherwise not this one, I'll just give you different ones. Here it is plugins, properties, build section. You can copy paste the build section as it is. So copy this, copy paste the build section. There is just a minute. I'll just copy from here. The build section, what we want. Yeah. So this one, I'll change this. Okay, I'll change this. Just copy paste this. This also I'll change this. So just copy paste in the form.xml on the top one. So after version, you just copy paste. So everything is same here also. In our blog also, it is everything same. Only except you remove this part. This part. That's it. You can see here the configuration. We have Maven compiler plugin. See, Maven compiler plugin is there. Everything same. So Maven Surefire plugin also there. Maven Surefire plugin also there. So and then just remove this block. This one. Everything same. Only this configuration. This you remove. Remaining all you keep it. That's it. And then dependencies we need to add. So dependencies. Add the dependencies. Add the dependencies. So we need one is BDD dependencies, REST assured dependencies, testng dependencies. So we need a testng dependencies also because we are using a testng to write our or JUnit because basically JUnit we are using. You can use a JUnit. So dependency we need. Let's add one by one REST assured dependencies. So I'll include that REST assured dependencies also here in our blog. Let me include all this file. Okay. So that you can also copy paste that. Read off anything. It is missing. Sign in is missing. Why? Right. Let me change the pages. What are the pages we have? So I'll keep when I remove this. Complete form.xml, we can keep it. Let me take form.xml. Yeah, you can copy paste as it is, okay? That's it. You don't need to do anything. Just copy paste. Which is the one? You just copy paste as it is, this entire thing, okay? Just this one, dependencies, copy paste everything. Yeah. Okay. That is the first one is a rest assured framework, rest assured dependency. So where you can find them, you can go to MVN repository. Here you can search it. Each one you can search it here. Here you can search. I would not rest assured. This one, this symbol, this the I would not rest assured, JSON path, schema validator, XML path. So these four you add. Okay, those four are here. So what is the version is there? Let's go and see that. 5.30. We are up to date. So all up to date. See JSON path, JSON schema validator, XML path. That's it. These four. And then JUnit. So Jupyter JUnit. So this is the JUnit 5. Okay, you can see what version is there. I think it got updated to 6. Let's see. So JUnit Jupyter API, this one. So 5.9.3. I think this is okay. We can use 5.9.3 or 9.2. That's cool. No issues. And ham crest, we have seen already these things, right? We have used these things. So ham crest also, org.json, another one. So that is another important. And cucumber, io.cucumber. Let's see what is io.cucumber. What version is there? Seven point 12. Okay, 7.12.1. Just do that. 7.12.1. 7.12.1. Just change the version. That's it. And reporting. So Cucumber reporting. This okay. This is anything is fine. And Jackson core 2.14.2. So these are the some of the dependencies we need, and finish this dependencies and come back. Yeah, you can use old dependencies also. No issues in that. Okay, so let's continue tomorrow. We'll finish that tomorrow and day after tomorrow in 2 days. Okay, yeah, thank you. Otherwise, one more day it will extend. That's it.